Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to thank everybody for coming back. I also wanted to thank all the new subscribers for coming to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. If you could do me a favor and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, that'd be greatly appreciated, and it really helps my channel out, so thank you.
Well guys, as you can see here, I got the aviary done for the outside, for them to go outside and be able to do trap training right now. So got a huge landing platform for them. They can go up on top of the roof and sit up there and relax, get some sun, and enjoy the weather. So this will also help them learn where the home is, and also help them teach, you know, where there's to be safe anyways. And what I can do to get this thing to get out of the way for racing, and for when I start, you know, doing it, I can actually lift it up and put it up on top of the roof, and it gets out of the way, so that way they can still hit the platform, and it also helps block it so they can't go, you know, sitting on top up there really easy. So that's my plan anyway. So I just kind of wanted to show you what is going on. So I just finished it up here, so I just put them up here about say 20 minutes ago or so. As you can see, they're sitting up there relaxing. They're not, you know, freaking out too bad. So, but anyways, today is gonna be the first day I'm gonna actually do some bob training, and oops, getting ready here to feed them. The door is open. As you can see here, I also got a lot more shelving in here for them. I got 4 shelves in the back, 4 shelves on this side, okay, 4 shelves on that side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 on this side. That way they got plenty of room in here to get around. I put that up there to kind of block them so they can't get in at the moment, you know. I wanted them to stay up there to chill out, so that's my plan anyways. I'm gonna sit here and whistle here in just a second. I'm gonna open it up here and call them down to see if they'll come in. What I'm gonna do is take and put one wire up, so that way they can push through it really easy. They can see there's an opening there, make it a little easier for them to get in and out. So just hang on a second, I'll do that. We'll put you on hold here. So hey, come. Come on, buddies! Come on, birdies! Well, guys, that's the first time they've been up there, so they're probably not used to it. So this ain't working as good as I'd hope it would, but that's all right. That's why they call it practice. So I'm going to open it up all the way, and that way they just kind of get used to it. As you can see here, all I gotta do is lift here, wire it all the way up. That way they get used to coming in and out of this way, instead of just having one wire. I'll do all of them. Well, as you can see here, here comes one finally. Well, as you can see here, a few more came down finally. See there, it's the first time they've ever been up there, and I'm probably nervous as heck. They ain't quite used to going in and out of there yet, so it takes time, guys. that's why I kind of wanted to show you, you know, even I, as you know, experienced as I am, I know better to do that. But figure it can't hurt to give it a whirl. I know these guys are super hungry, so, and that's why I kind of did that just on purpose to see what that happened. So as you can see here, we got a few more coming in now, which is okay. I don't want to scare them. I want them to get used to it. So the only way they're going to figure things out. So they got to get used to going in and out by themselves. I'll leave that trap door open from now on, you know, so they can get in and out. So now we got a few more in here, as you can see. But overall, guys, things turning out pretty in here pretty good. I do have it set up. What I might ended up doing yet is putting a door on that besides the bobs. That way I can make sure all predators can't get in there. I think I got the upstairs pretty good, but you just don't know. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'm gonna put a door up there with a hinge and make sure so I can seal it up tight. So that's my plan anyways. So I'll have a little set up a little higher than what the bobs are right now. So that's what my goals are anyways, guys. So hopefully everything turns out nice. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I know it wasn't very long. I just wanted to give you a little update on the aviary and how much well it turned out. So overall, guys, it really looks nice in here. So as you can see here, this little blue bar here, he's got 2020 band. That was a late hatch for me from just before I moved here in October. So he's not that old. He's been out a couple times, but even with snow on the ground, but you know, he still don't know quite where to go. So I haven't let him out yet. I was gonna let him out with the rest of these guys in here. So hopefully he don't take off, but I'm gonna end up doing probably give everybody in here a bath, especially some of these little older ones. But overall, guys, things are turning out pretty good. Birds are looking good. Second round is going very well. I will give you an updated video on that, so stay tuned for that. But overall, guys, things are going pretty good around here. So hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks again.